is very full of health benefit, and if you do this at home up to about 10 days you can see some result. But basically you have to eat right and eat good, guys. All right, so first thing, get rough about half of a cucumber or 3/4 of a cucumber, and you know there's 95% of cucumber is water, and organic cucumber is the best to use. So if you can get the organic cucumber, it's one of the best. Look at that, is fantastic and an amazing, lovely and really simple. Now, just gonna put a little piece of a ginger and put some water inside of it. Just a little bit of water, not much. Now, I'm gonna be blending this about 3 to 4 seconds. Not gonna take long. Lovely. That is amazing. Beautiful one. Enjoy it. So now, as you can see, so basically you drink this natural as it is. You don't need to put nothing inside of it, guys. It's just amazing, fantastic, lovely drink. But the beautiful thing with cucumber, if you're a person doesn't drink a lot of water, this is a very good drink for you. And also you can eat cucumber on its own, and it's, you know what I mean, it's just really you can see the difference by eating the cucumber, because cucumber have a whole heap of health benefit, guys. It's fantastic, really nice, and I know 100% you guys will love this drink. So why not give it a try at home, and you know what I mean, leave your comments in the description box. So please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So guys, cucumber is very good for us, and if you're a person do not drink a lot of water, start eat cucumber and you will see some result. All right, also it's good for in weight loss and also in detoxing. If you put like extra stuff in it like lemon, apple cider vinegar and all these things. But you can squeeze it off of a lemon, or if you're allergic to lemon, let's try the cucumber on its own. First thing, drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, or at night before you go to your bed. That's the best time to drink this and eat cucumber, and you can see some result. Thank you for tuning in, stay tuned, and see you next time. Bye.